This manifest is clearly forged. Look at the CITES permits.
They don't match the specimens at all. We have to stop the shipment before it crosses.
I won't let you near her! My God, it's impossible. Leave Ivamara alone! I said let her go! Emergency! This is Dr. Dubois. The Anaconda is massive, I repeat! It's crushing the Leopard! I need urgent help now! Emergency at F12, kilometer 8! A giant Anaconda is crushing the Leopard! GPS north, 0.25.
Received your urgent call regarding the serpent attack in Leopard. Wildlife Rescue Unit mobilizing specialized team immediately to your forest location.
Acknowledged.
Red code emergency. All units mobilize immediately to Sector Gamma 7.
Hangar Bay, move! Check tranquilizers, let's go! Vets up front, we have a go status. Darts loaded, move out!
Executive.
Clear on the left, heading to the bay.
Go, go, let's move!
We have a massive 24-meter limbless anaconda with it.
Command, the target is acquired. Massive constriction event. Deploying rescue strategy Alpha. Move, move, move!
Target acquired. Move in with the nets. Readying the darts, hold steady. Push the pole forward! Secure the cable on the left.
Pull back now, pull back!
Tension on line 3. Bring it up slowly. Watch the Leopard, keep it clear.
Hold on, Amara. I'm here now. Your breathing's very weak. We will help you.
I've got oxygen. What are the vitals?
Pulse is weak, Sam. Breathing is very shallow.
Samuel, push the full dose now. Her breathing is too shallow.
Done. Check the bandages again, Marie. We are losing too much time.
Just a little more pressure here.
She's tolerating it well. Look, the cub is coming closer now.
That's it, Amara. She's okay.
You did so well.
All teams, status report. We are lowering the asset.
Head secured, moving to the locks.
Clear to descend.
We need more sterile wraps over here. Vitals look good on the mother.
Keep monitoring the cub's respiration.
Make sure the analgesic cream covers the entire constriction site.
Yes, I'm working it deep into the tissue. Her breathing is stabilizing.
Good job, Casey. Keep drinking. You're such a brave little cub.
They are truly safe now, Samuel.
Yes.
A remarkable success for the unit, Commander.
Indeed, Doctor. They are thriving.
A triumphant story of hope and second chances. This family thrives in freedom,